The wait is finally over, and we have here the all-new DJI Avata 2, and it's time to unbox it and see what's included in this latest offering from DJI. For this unboxing, we will be using the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo with the 3 battery option. As we mentioned in our Avata 2 release video, there are 2 options for the Fly More combo, one with 3 batteries and one with just a single battery. Inside the box, we have the star of the show, the DJI Avata 2, which looks a lot more streamlined. Out of the box, the Avata 2 has 1 battery loaded into it, and we also have the all-new DJI Goggles 3, which we will cover in a future video, as well as the RC Motion 3. To keep you in the air, we have 3 batteries, 1 in the drone, and 2 spares. The Avata 2 comes with a sling bag for easy transport, and moving on, we have the 3-bank battery charger, spare propellers, screwdriver, lanyard, -2 OD correction lenses, a spare forehead pad for the Goggles 3, USB-C cables, and the owner's manual. You get all of this amazing gear for $11.99 for the 3 battery kit or $9.99 for the 1 battery kit. To order your Avata 2 combo, click on the product ad in this video or in the description. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more videos on the Avata 2 coming very soon. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.